Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, in today's video, I want to talk to you about time and just making it happen and getting everything done. Because y'all know today is, let me see, the 25th of April. We got about 5 more days and this month it'll be over with. Then you got May, June, July, August. You know, time, it just keeps rolling. So the time is always now. And the thing what kills a lot of people's dreams is just waiting around to the right time. Well, the right time is right now because y'all know that clock, it just keeps on going, keeps on going. So if you want to do something, don't wait and get it done. Because a lot of people have been asking me lately, how did you do this? How did you do that? Well, you just got to do it. And a lot of times you just can't be scared. Just get out here and do it, and whatever happens, happens. At least you made an attempt. So if y'all on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna come out with more videos and more tips on marketing, getting your own business, getting your money right, your taxes right, and just getting your life right. So if you got some value from this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you know anybody that's looking to make some extra income part-time around their schedule with an automated system, that means automation means you don't have to pick up the phone and call nobody. They can go to www.enjoymylife.info because you should be enjoying your life. Hey, this is Booker Williams. I'll be back and y'all be great. Deuces.